Hey, Celia. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of check in, and I want to go over the most current state of Accomplice. And it's actually once I got the API or the SDK and really understood it, I understood how different it was from um, the iOS SDK. I was able to really make some traction. I made the most traction today, um, which is great. So just a couple things. We do have. I changed the login user. We're gonna take an actual look and see the difference in. I should have used this. Um, the login flow, and what I'm gonna do is relaunch this. And I got to tell you also, I submitted the actual folder with the APK, and there's a change that I had to make last minute. I forgot to uncomment something out, so the APK that you have won't do the same thing as what I'm showing you, unfortunately. So I'm just going to go ahead and log this in, and this I deleted this user, so I want to go ahead and show you the difference here. So this will show you the whole entire workflow. Great. Now, I deleted the user, so I don't have any task. So I'm going to show you how this works. Nope, back up. How this works. We're going to pick a date and go ahead and select that. And per the change request, the add more details switch. You really can't tell if it does anything here because we can't test it to see if it's viewable by others. But and neither does the add person to do work. The switch actually does work. It's actually sending things into the database and restricting use, setting it private. Basically, if it's switched off, that's a default saving. But anyways, we're gonna since the shared and the add person to. There's a lot of things that were dependent on getting the CRUD to work that I got to work, and so the shared drawer, friends view, all that friends chooser, those are all pending. So those need to be moved back to this last one, this last milestone. But I'm going to go ahead and save this, and we see that this updates at this point. And I'm going to go change that. And so this is the details view, and I want to go ahead and edit that so that it says works. And I want to put it to today's date, which is the 14th. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. And we're going to see that it's going to refresh. And there you go. Now I'm going to show you this fake task. Fake takes. Okay, that rhymes. I'm not even going to put a date in there just to show you the second part. Fake takes. All right, great. I'm going to edit this, and then I want to go ahead and delete it. Now, for error prevention, I'm going to go ahead and put a dialog on there, but just to get the CRUD to work, so we have create, read, update, and delete all working in this. The next thing to implement, of course, all the, if I want to go back, that works. The details view, this works. So the things that are pending into the next milestone, which everything has to come together in a milestone, which would be a custom adapter for the list view, so I can get the custom views for the list items. So I need a couple buttons, and just I also need to display list altogether. So the data architecture is going to have to be reworked, and then. But that's pretty much it in the drawer. Getting that drawer set up to where I can navigate through friends views and all those other things. The views are there. The foundation of the entire app is there for the most part. It was all in the CRUD. Now that I got the CRUD working, I expect this next week to go by a lot faster than it has been. So this is it. That's for the most part the what's not working. Like I said, since the CRUD is now functional, everything else will be functional when it comes down to it. And as far as the rest of the app, I'm pretty confident that I'll get everything done on time. It's this was the hardest thing for me to figure out. I should have given myself more time. I also rewrote the application completely from top to bottom. The one I sent you is completely different than the one that I'm working on now. So that is it. That is the app. I'll check in with you next week. Otherwise, hope you're fine. Have a good day.